So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends, and I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandal. Last video we have seen the subsidies for electric two-wheelers. So in this video we will check out the electric three-wheeler subsidies eligible under FAME 2 scheme. So far there are 31 models eligible for FAME 2 scheme subsidies for electric three-wheelers. So let's check out what are these 31 models. So the first model is City Life Li Prima electric three-wheeler from Delhi Electric Auto Private Limited, and the subsidy amount for this electric three-wheeler is 35,000 rupees. And the second model is Atul Elite Plus, and this electric auto rickshaw from Atul Auto Limited, and the subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the third model is from the same company. It is Atul Elite Plus Cargo, and the subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the third company we have is UP Telelinks Limited, and one model is eligible for subsidy, and the model name is Power Lithium Ion. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the fourth company we have is Sierra Electric Auto Private Limited, and the model name is Mayuri Star. The subsidy amount is 35,800 rupees. And the next company we have is Kalsa Agencies. The model name is Kalsa Grand. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the next company we have is Tukral Electric Bikes Private Limited. The model name is Tukral ERA Lithium. The subsidy amount is 32,200 rupees. And the next model we have is Goenka Electric Motor Vehicles Private Limited. And the first model we have is Prince Pro. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the second model is Prince Pro X. The subsidy amount is 33,025 rupees. And the next company we have is Energy Electric Vehicles, and the model is Premium Udan. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the next company is Bestway Agencies Private Limited, and the first model is ELE EX. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the second model is ELE EX Cargo. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. And the next company is YC Electric Vehicle, and the model is Yatri Super. The subsidy amount is 34,000 rupees. And the next company we have is Victory Electric Vehicles International Private Limited. The first model is Victory Vikrant. The subsidy amount is 41,600 rupees. The second model is Victory Plus. The subsidy amount is 38,976 rupees. The next model is Victory Beam Plus. The subsidy amount is 38,976 rupees. The next model is Victory Beam Cleaner Plus. The subsidy amount is 42,976 rupees. The next company is Champion Polyplast. The first model is Sardi Shavak E-Auto. The subsidy amount is 66,000 rupees. The next model is Sarthi Shavak DLX E-Auto. The subsidy amount is 66,000 rupees. And the next model is Sardi F2. The subsidy amount is 37,680 rupees. And the next company is Kinetic Green Energy and Power Solutions Limited. The first model is Kinetic Safar Smart LFP. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. The second model is Safar Sekti LFP. The subsidy amount is 41,000 rupees. And the third model is Kinetic Safar Smart. The subsidy amount is 41,000 rupees. And the fourth model is Kinetic Safar Star 400. The subsidy amount is 42,000 rupees. And finally we have Mahindra Electric Mobility Limited, and this company has the maximum number of electric three-wheelers eligible for FAME 2 subsidy. The first model is Trio Yari HRT. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. The second model is Trio HRT. The subsidy amount is 68,923 rupees. The third model is Trio SFT. The subsidy amount is 66,523 rupees. And the fourth model is Trio Yari SFT. The subsidy amount is 37,000 rupees. The fifth model is Trio Zor. The subsidy amount is 74,000 rupees. And the sixth model is Trio Zor FP. The subsidy amount is 74,000 rupees. And the final model is Trio Zor DV. The subsidy amount is 74,000 rupees. So these are all the 31 models so far eligible for FAME 2 subsidies under the electric three-wheeler category. So if you have any doubts about the subsidies of electric three-wheelers or two-wheelers, and we have already made electric two-wheeler subsidies video also, and if you have any doubts about the subsidy, please ask your question in the comment section below, and I will answer them in the upcoming videos. In the next video, we will check out the electric four-wheelers, which means the electric car subsidies for FAME 2 scheme. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.